Hey everyone, are you eagerly waiting for a fantastic Nokia 5G smartphone? One that comes packed with amazing features at an affordable price? If so, then this video is for you. Today, we're going to tell you about an incredible Nokia smartphone called the Nokia Turbo Pro 5G. This phone reportedly features a 200 megapixel DSLR quality camera and the most powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. So, without further ado, let's dive into everything you need to know about this powerhouse phone, its features, price, and launch date. So let's get started. Nokia Turbo Pro 5G features. Display. Do you love a big, stunning screen? Then this phone won't disappoint. The Nokia Turbo Pro 5G is expected to have a massive 6.79-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, with a 1.5K pixel resolution. It also boasts a 144Hz refresh rate, which makes gaming and scrolling super smooth. For protection, the screen is said to have Gorilla Glass 7, and an in-display fingerprint sensor. Plus, with its IP68 rating, the phone is safe from dust and water. Camera setup. If you're a photography enthusiast, this phone could be your new best friend. It's rumored to have a triple camera setup, with a primary 200 megapixel camera, that can capture DSLR quality photos. It will also reportedly include two additional lenses, a 50 megapixel and a 5 megapixel. And for all you selfie lovers, there's a 32 megapixel front camera. Just imagine how incredible your selfies will look. Performance. This phone is said to be powered by the latest and most powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. This processor is so powerful that you can handle heavy gaming, multitasking, and any challenging task with ease. The phone will also run on the latest Android 16 operating system, giving you a smooth and updated experience. Battery and charging. Tired of battery anxiety? The Nokia Turbo Pro is expected to come with a massive 7500 mAh battery that can last all day. And to get you back up and running in no time, it will reportedly support 100-watt fast charging, so your phone can be fully charged in just a few minutes. Price and launch date. Now for the most important part, the price and launch date. According to reports, the Nokia Turbo Pro 5G could be priced around $699. As for the launch date, this phone may be released next year, in 2026. So, what are your thoughts on this incredible phone? Let us know in the comments below.